What's the opposite? Write your answers on your student notes page. So what is the opposite of each scenario? The first scenario says Barbara deposited $5 into her bank account. What would be the opposite of that? Second scenario, Kenya loses 3 points on her first term. What would be the opposite? Today, we will use our understanding of integers to demonstrate opposite quantities. So the opposite of Barbara depositing $5 would be Barbara withdrew $5 from her bank account. And the opposite of Kenya losing 3 points would be Kenya gains 3 points on her next turn. So how much money is left in Barbara's account? $0. How many points does Kenya have? 0. Integers and their opposites. Barbara deposited $5 into her banking account, withdrew $5 from her bank account. How much money is left in Barbara's account? 0. On a number line, we could model it this way, starting at 0, going to 5, starting where you end and turning around and going back 5, you'll be at 0. With integers chips, you have 5 positives, 5 negatives. Those create 0 pairs that cancel each other out. Nothing is left. Kenya loses 3 points on her first turn, then gains 3 points on her next turn. How many points does she have? It would be 0. On a number line, it would look like this. Start at 0, go to -3, and start where you ended, turn around and go back 3, +3, you end at 0. Integers chips looks like this. Nothing left. 0 pairs that cancel each other out. Which of the following situations does not result in a sum of 0? On Sunday, the temperature was -12 degrees Fahrenheit outside and 12 degrees Fahrenheit inside the garage. B, a ball was kicked 10 meters in the air, then it fell 10 meters. C, the school's football team lost 10 yards on their first down and then lost 10 yards on the second down. D, a bucket descended 100 feet down a well, then it was lifted 100 feet. On your student notes, just do a quick jot down, and all you have to write down is A, B, C, or D. For practice, you'll go to Google Classroom and find this document, Justified True or False, Whole Numbers and Their Opposites. Complete the document and submit it for my review. To summarize today, on the number line below, the numbers h and k are the same distance from 0. Write an equation to express the value of h plus k and explain it. Once again, you can jot this down on your notes in Google Classroom.